Take control of the morning so you can take control of your day. Own the morning so you can own your day. Start your day right so the rest of your day falls into place. Schedule that time. It's more important than anything. Sleep 30 minutes less if you need to. Give this to yourself. Are you happy with your life? Are you where you want to be? If you answered yes, turn the audio off. If you answered no and you want to grow, keep listening. Start every day with at least 5 minutes of powerful energy, 5 minutes of positive energy. First thing in the morning can change your entire day. And if you can change your entire day with consistent positive thought, you can change your entire life. Can you do more? Can you be more? If you know you can be more, you need to commit being more, and you need to start now. You need to commit now to start every day with a mindset of someone who loves life, the mindset of someone who is going to win the day. No matter what happens, you won't lose. You will win, or you will learn. You will win the day because you will set your day up to win. Your first job as soon as you rise is to give thanks. Give thanks you are alive. Give thanks for everything you do have. Give thanks for everything you usually take for granted. Set your intention for the day. Set your goal for the day. Give thanks in advance for the thing you want. Put that intention out in the world. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the amazing opportunities coming my way. Thank you for the character I show today. Thank you for every smile today. Thank you for every laugh, every moment of fun. Wake up with intention by setting those intentions the night before. Wake up with only positive intentions. The morning is not the time for phones, not the time for work or problem solving. The morning is the time to get in the sync with what you want. Create an unbreakable morning routine, a consistent routine that will soon bring consistent result. Ask yourself, how do I want this day to go? How do I want to feel today? How do I want to treat others? How you start your day is usually how you are going to live your day. If you started believing it's going to be a great day, chances are it will be. If you start your day with the intention you are going to be happy today, no matter what happens, chances are you will be happy. No matter what happens, if you don't start your day off in the right mindset as the first challenges or test, you will break. You will respond with negativity rather than positivity. And what are the chances of challenges showing up? Probably 100%. So make sure you are ready for these challenges, ready with an unbreakable spirit, ready with a positive mindset, ready to redirect and negativity. Get after the life you want. It is a must. Don't let it get away from you. Run after it. Plan your day. If you know where are you going, you will eventually get where you need to go. If you have no direction, you will end up in the wrong section. Successful people have intention and they have direction. They know where they are going. That's why they get there.